everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited about this video because I did something different and it came out looking great. So I'll be using, I believe, about this 3, this 4, this 5, this 6. I mean, it just came in 6, of course, but I think I ended up using about 5.5 of this here, guys. And oh no, I actually used 6 packs of this one because we only had I think about 15 strands per pack. So that was the reason why I ended up using about 6 or even 7. But yes, I am so excited. So I'm about to prep now, but I'm just gonna say some stuff before I prep, or just as I prep. So I am prepping right now, and usually, as you know, I always start with 2 strands, but for this one I wanted that like nice bob look that's gonna fall, that it's not gonna be stiff, or just like just looking up or something like that. So what I did was that I started wrapping with 1 strand, and then I continued wrapping with the 2 strands. So I was wrapping with 1 strand. That was how I started, and then I finished with 2 strands, and that's how I prep my hair. So the one at the top they only have 1 strand, and that was how I started wrapping, and the one in the bottom, your 2 strands, and that was how I finished wrapping. I also have the link to the hair in my description. Also, you can use any spring twist hair, and I believe some passion twist hair will work for this, but you have to be really careful because of some of them come looking silky, and when it's silky, it's really hard for me to wrap with, and it's hard for me to seal my ends without having to burn them. So that's the reason why I would keep using spring twist hair until I find something better, or something something nicer, basically. So we're gonna get right into it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, as you can tell, I'm just so excited because this is my first time doing this style in color 1B, like in black, because I've been trying to, like, when I see pictures on Instagram, like, how did she have it looking really nice, like skinny to thick, and I was just like, let me just try using 1 strand. At first I was like, okay, so 1 strand is gonna make it look really skinny, but honestly, sometimes when you think about stuff, just when you imagine stuff, just try it. You don't know, like, just try it out and then see how it comes out. And it came out looking really good, and I am in love with this bob look. I have done something similar with different colors before, and she also loved her hair, but I wished I was able to like just do the same thing for hers. But since she loved her hair, that's all that matters to me. But I will be using this technique for the rest of my appointment. So when for the braid count, because I always forget, I think it was about 48. It's always in between 48 to 47 to like 52 counts of locks, yeah. And per lock, I would say I started with 1 strand and finished with 2 strands. So basically, for this bob look, I only ended up using about 3 strands of the spring twist hair. And I am going to be doing 3 parts for her. I'm only using that extension for that part just because I don't want it to unravel. Like, I don't want her locks, I just wanted something what am I trying to say? So that part of her hair is really short, so I wanted some type of strength or extension to it. But you're going to see how I'm going to end up you're going to see how I'm going to end up just doing the bob look, regardless of how long her hair is anyways. Anywho, stay tuned for more. So now we're done braiding the hair. As you can see, I don't braid the hair all the way down because that's just more time on yourself. Like, as long as you can just braid to the middle, and then you can just twist the rest of the hair. You don't have to waste your time to braid everything down, only if your clients want it for protection wise. But honestly, it doesn't really matter. Just braid half, twist the rest of the hair, and then you'll be good to go. Trust me, the hair is not going to come out of her lock, trust me. So yeah, now we're about to start this nice shorts bob look. So imagine that to be your client's actual size. So if your client's hair is longer than the bob or the short length, all you have to do is put your crochet hook at the roots of your client's hair, and then take the ends of your client's hair and just crochet it together, and then just twist it just so it's way shorter than the length that your client is going for. For example, if your client wants bob or shoulder length, just make it really short, so that when your client is trying to cut the ends of her lock to take her locks down, she doesn't have to really worry about where her hair stops, because you make it really easier for her, as you can see from my clients right now. So again, all I did was take my crochet the ends of my client's hair, and then boom, just twist it and then have it to be that way. So now we're going to start wrapping, and I'm so excited. So I mean, as you can see, since our hair was kind of like thick towards the end, it always makes sense for me to use one strand instead of two strands. As you can see, my client's hair is gonna be half of the lock, so when she takes her hair down, she is safe. She's not going to end up cutting her hair, like she's good to go. So this one is the distress lock. As you can see, I am going to try to do slow-mo for the first one. I'm just going to use my thumb and then just take it out, and then just keep going like that. I'll probably just wrap twice, or wrap one time and then take out, and then that's how I'm going to end up doing it. But at some point I will have to attach the my second piece of hair, and you're going to see how I attach it and also how I sew my ends, and you're going to see how this hair falls, guys. I just cannot wait for you guys to see the end result. I have also seen people, I've heard of people using the nail glue to seal the ends, but I haven't really had any complaint from my clients about their ends of the lock unraveling. And I feel like nail glue is gonna make my it's gonna be so hard, and I don't like when it's just when I see that sound, I don't know, it just I don't know, I just cannot. I don't like when something's gonna bother my hands or my finger or anything like that. This is the reason why I don't really use the nail glue, because I've never really had to. So maybe in the future, I don't really know, but I don't intend on using it, and I've never used it before. All I do is just get to the end and then wrap back up to seal the ends of my lock, and you're going to see me doing it in this video as well. As you can see, it's looking really nice, and at this point I was like, what is going on? But just wait for it, guys. And don't forget, if you have any questions, I would always try my best to answer all the questions. But if you turn on your notification, and then I ended up posting a video when you have a question and I post a video and you want to ask me a question as I post the video, I would be there to answer your questions the first 2-3 hours. I'm always there to answer all the questions. I do try my best. So let me know if you have any other questions. As you can see, I am showing you how I wrap my client's hair up. I'm just going to take the ends, the remaining piece of the sprinkles hair, and then just wrap up, and then that's exactly what I do. So you can wrap up and still do the thumb thing, yes, wrap up, but I usually don't. But I usually don't, it doesn't really matter, because I'm not really going all the way back to the to the root, so it doesn't really matter to me. But sometimes when I need to, I do use my thumb, just so I can still have the nice looking distress look to it, from the root to the ends of the lock. As you can see, it looks really nice, guys. I was just whoa, this is really cute. So that'll be all for big detail, and I'm also gonna be doing this other one. I'm gonna also be doing the slow-mo, so you guys can see how I do them. So then I'm just gonna make it really fast, because I don't want this video to be too long. But anywho, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, tell your friends, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. As you can see, that's where the hair is gonna stop, her natural hair, and that is how long the locks is. So basically our hair is going to be forever safe, safe with this lock, no problem, no issues. Again, I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.